What's up guys, Bodie here, BodieDavison.com. In today's video, we're going to dive into the elusive, can you organize your storefronts in Teespring? That is the question. So recently my most common question that I'm getting is organizing storefronts. Can you organize your storefront? Bodie, my storefront looks like a mess. How do I organize it so it looks a lot cleaner? Is there a way around this? Well, I'm here to show you today one way that you can organize it. I have been in contact with Teespring multiple times about this. It is one thing that irritates me as well, is that when you have a lot of products, it can just look like a bit of a mess. And so there is one way that you can organize it, so let me show you guys. If you're new to the channel, I like to talk about print on demand and making money online. So take a look around. I have the print on demand playlist and the Teespring tutorial playlist. I also have the free Facebook group, which is called Print on Demand Mastery. Make sure you join that. Absolutely free group. And yeah, just have a look around. I have heaps of how-to guides on how to make money online and to help you on your entrepreneur journey. Please give this video a like for me, comment below any comments or questions that you have or video suggestions, and make sure you hit subscribe. Alright guys, so here we are on Teespring and we're just going to go to our dashboard, get into your storefront. So just move my head and we'll just go to the dashboard. Alright, so we're just going to go to storefront, so click stores. And then it comes up with your stores, which you would obviously have as well. So you're just going to click on the pencil here. This is how you edit your store. So we'll go on that. Okay, so this is what my store currently looks like. This is just the demo store for the channel. This is what it currently looks like. So as you can see, there is just a lot of products all in a row. And this is what you guys are complaining about, is that it looks a bit messy, and I understand that. But if we go to the store, I'll just look at this first. So if you go to store, they do have it somewhat organized, as in there's different sections like this. That is one way, but I also understand what people are saying. You want to be able to organize this storefront so it looks the way that you want it to look. So I get that completely. So if we're just looking at my storefront, this is what it currently looks like. If we go to products here, so remember that it's Boxer Mom, Where's Black Loves Dogs. If we go to products here, you can change how it looks somewhat by putting a star next to it. So all that does is bookmarks it. So if we go to, let's say, the Dog Mum, we click on this one, starring a product will feature it at the top of your store. So it's not perfect, but it is. Let's say you release a new product and you want that to be at the top of your store, or you have a best-selling product that you want everyone to see as soon as they come to the store, you would star it so that's at the top of the store. So let's star that one, and then let's just star this one, and then we'll just go done. So then we'll just go to store, and as you see, it comes up with them both there on the store now. So it does put them to the top of your store, but it doesn't really help you as in setting out your store the way that you would ideally like. This is, yeah, everyone complains about this, that I've complained about to Teespring multiple times myself. So as I said, it's not ideal, but at least you can set up your products that way. So you would just go and star possibly the latest ones. The next question is, if you star them in a row, does that change the way that they come up? And the answer there is actually no. So if we just turn this around, so let's have a look here. We had Dog Mum first and then Self-Isolation, Expert Tea. If we just change this around and go, let's go Life is Better with a Dog. So that would be first. And then second would be I'm Here to Pet All the Dogs with that mug, and just go done. Then if we go to the storefront, so Life is Better with a Dog, I'm Here to Pet All the Dogs. Okay, so now let's go back and I'll show you that it doesn't make a difference. So we go products, and then these two are starred. So now we'll go this one first and then this one and click done. And then if we go to store, it doesn't make a difference, unfortunately. So pretty much to sum this all up, what you want to do is your newest products, obviously you would star them, or anything that you want at the top of the store, maybe the top 4 products. Whatever your new designs are, I would have at the top as well, because you obviously want to get the most eyes on them. If you're linking from your Instagram, obviously people are going to see the very top, and you just want your top products there. So that's pretty much all you can do with it, guys. It's not the best. It is something that people complain about all the time, so I understand. and I've also complained about it as well. So hopefully they change that soon. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Unfortunately, you can't itemize them products the way we all want to, but hopefully, as I said, Teespring changes this soon. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like for me. Comment down below any questions or video suggestions you have, and make sure you hit subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.